today we're going to talk about how to flip your stamp. I know some of you are probably wondering, like, why would I ever need to flip a stamp? Well, sometimes you're doing a design and you need the stamp to go the other way, or maybe you are planning to stamp the same design on all of your nails and you don't want the same design all facing the same way. So again, it just helps to add interest to your nails and the design a little bit more. So it's really easy. All you need is your monocle stamper and whatever other stamper you want to use. Okay, let's just pretend you wanted to stamp this fish on all 10 nails. So this is how we stamp this design. Whatever you see on the plate and the direction that the design is faced in is exactly what you're going to get. But sometimes we want it to be in a different direction. And in that kind of case, what you're going to do, you're going to take a monocle stamper. And then I'm going to take my double-ended stamper. So now, let's just pretend I wanted the fishes to kiss. Now I can do that. So now I flip the design and there you go. That's pretty much the trick.